that if you don't believe in something, then why are you in politics in the first place? A politician has to have some commitment to certain values and principles. Having spent my entire adult life speaking for inclusive India, if tomorrow I go and speak for, say, Hindutva, I will ask you not to believe me, because honestly, that doesn't make any sense anymore. Because obviously, then I'm repudiating everything I've told you for 40 years. Similarly, I say to those politicians in that 60% you mentioned, Devika, uh, tell us what you stand for and let people vote for your own convictions and your integrity. If you have no integrity to offer them, why should they vote for you? Stand, therefore, with values and principles.
Thank you, Dr. Tharoor. Over to you. Over to you, Dr. Geeta Reddy.
Ma'am, you're on mute.
Yourself.
You'll have to unmute yourself.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Right, I did. Thank you. Thank you, Elvis. Thank you, Dr. Tharoor. It was absolutely a fabulous talk. You covered everything that had to be covered. Nothing was left at all, including the questions that you answered in so much depth. You covered things like jobs, tourism, then of course, industries and commerce. And naturally, you didn't forget the women's empowerment part of it. And also music and sport, all these kinds of things that you covered gave it a rounded impression that you were talking about everything that matters to the crowd that has come, the audience that has come. So I take this opportunity that you've taken so much time to give all the inputs that are required for this first town hall meeting, which is also an election campaign for Goa. I think we kickstarted the election campaign for Goa in a way like this. I think that's very grand of you to have done that. And communal harmony was another important one that you mentioned about. I also take this opportunity of thanking Dr. Kamat for being there and making it a success. And of course, especially the PCC president, Mr. Girish Chodankar, though wasn't well, you have attended, and that's very gracious of you. And Elvis Gomes, our newly placed AIPC president of Goa, he's done a great job. I think that's the way to go. Elvis, I can see a lot happening under your care in Goa, especially during elections. And Alim Zaweri, our COO, and his team that's did a great back office job, and our own South RO, Rohit Deshpande. I also thank, finally, all those people in the audience who took their time, their special time, and the very precious time to come and listen to us. And of course, you're going to listen to none other than our celebrity speaker and author and an MP 3 times, our politician, Dr. Shashi Tharoor, who's spoken so well about many things. I once again thank you for making it a great success. But finally, I would like to say to all the ones who have been here listening to Dr. Tharoor speaking, please, the takeaway is vote for Congress, vote for Congress.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Doctor. Girish?
Thank you all very much. I'm signing out now. Jai Hind.
Yeah. Girish, you would like to say something? All right.
Girish, you're on mute. Please unmute yourself.
Girish, unmute yourself.
thankful to you, and Goans must be touched the way you have delivered yourself, and the in-depth knowledge that you had about Goa. It's very impressive. So thank you very much for your precious time and very high quality talk that we had today. Also, thanks to Gitaji and your entire team. And I must appreciate Mr. Elvis Gomes, who has taken over this professional congress, being a new. He has taken this courage to hold this